Hey guys, Cole with Buell Motorcycle here. First off, congratulations on your brand new Super Cruiser. We're going to run through a couple of the features, benefits, and setup on your bike so you can be ready to hit the road as soon as we get it to your door. Let's start with suspension. Having your suspension properly set up is key for the best ride. In the back, we have fully adjustable Fox suspension. Right here on the top of the piggyback, you've got compression and rebound adjustments. As we move up front to your steering stabilizer, Fox steering stabilizer, fully adjustable on the left-hand side. And then all the way up front here, on both the tops of the left and the right suspension tubes, we have compression and rebound adjustments for you. Now let's move our way back here to the hand controls and your switch cubes. On the left-hand side, you have your high beams and your low beams. Turn signals with the tap to turn off right there, and a horn all the way on the bottom. Hiding on the back side is a flash to pass button for you. We'll move over to the right-hand side here. Kill switch right there on the red button. Starter on the bottom. Now we'll move right up front here to the key. One click to the right turns everything on, gets us ready to go. As your display fires up here, you're going to see a low oil warning light right there. Don't worry about that when your bike is off. That is just telling us that the bike is not running and there's not currently oil pressure. Once you start the bike up, that guy should go away. Top button right here on our display screen. This is going to get you to all of the menu options we have available, from traction control, live data, service. Take some time, go through that, learn your way around. We can toggle through right here, get back to our home screen with the exit. Your middle button is going to scroll through your odometer and trip distance screens on the left there. We go to the bottom button. That's going to scroll through some of your features we have over there in that right-hand display. Now, for starting up your Super Cruiser, the key is obviously already turned on. We're going to flip your kill switch down to the run position, pull in our clutch, and verify we're in neutral, as we should do on every motorcycle, and hit that start button until she fires up. As you see there, we did have an engine cold light on when we first started our Super Cruiser. That is completely normal. When the bike is not quite up to operational temperature, that light will display, and it's going to limit you to 7,500 RPM. When the Super Cruiser warms up, that light goes away and you get full use of the RPM range, all 11,200 of them. Now let's talk about service. Your first service interval is going to be your break-in service at 620 miles. That's going to be a full fluid change, something we'd recommend you take to one of your service centers to have done. After that, you're looking at services every 6,200 miles. Take a look at your owner's manual for a full interval of service schedules. Enjoy your Super Cruiser and let us know if you have any questions.